channel. My name's Kevin. Today I'm back here out in Kansamir along the beaches, and I had to stop because you guys have seen it in my shorts, but have a look at this. He's done it again. So crazy. But I gotta go say hi to him because I haven't seen him since the last time he did it. Mon frère, ça va, bro?
Ça va.
You good?
Ça va.
Yeah?
Ça va.
I gotta tell you, on my YouTube.
Okay.
Okay? Have a look at this. I'll show you here.
Pardon, moi non spectacle.
Yeah, no, c'est bon, c'est bon.
C'est bon.
Yeah, sit down. I gotta show him the last time when I made my shorts video. And I wanted to show him all the views that we got. Check it out, bro. So,
Okay,
regarde. Remember my YouTube channel? Oui? Okay. Now, attends. In my shorts.
Okay.
I know. Ça? Yeah? Look at the smile he's got on there. Yeah, right? Ah oui! Yeah. You want a box?
See, more like sport.
Right.
Like business.
I don't-
American. American, European, different.
So he was telling me before you want to go on y va to America.
Dacă e posibil, si.
So-
Manager american.
So he wants to be a manager and do the UFC?
The indifferent.
So-
UFC, indifferent.
Alright, so basically he wants to do it all.
Indifferent.
The whole thing. And last time I was here, he went up against the post.
Après va veni UFC.
C'est ça.
Posibil UFC direct. Moi non stress. Directement.
No stress, just direct.
No,
Directement, right?
Yeah.
On y va, America.
6 mois.
So 6 months?
6 mois sunt secret. Vrei good. Moi money yeba.
Yeah?
Me manager, no money, nobody.
Okay. So you want to be the manager. You want to do the managing for boxing.
Da, e important din național.
Yeah.
Manager.
So it's important for him to be a manager, like international.
Ceva inteligent.
Yes. Now, last time we were here, you were on this and you were showing me your balance when you're up and... You remember? And then last time he goes to the post over here, the big metal post, and he goes,
Dacă vrei la YouTube,
yeah?
go cum ça, maraton, nu cum ça, dar nabarot cum ça. De la Cannes până la Monaco, vrei? Non-stop.
Wait, non-stop.
Bicicleturi, trotinet cum ça.
Yeah?
Să se de acord. Dar să se cum ça, să se pentru petit.
Vidi. He's a good guy, man. I really like him. And he does amazing work. I mean, look at this.
More like merge cum ça, cum 40-50 mil non-stop.
That's it?
Da, cum ça.
Wait, when they walk by, they come by?
La America ies misiatul stat merge cum ça, dar moi liketul Europa. Moi marchetul limit, moi marche no stress, 40 mil.
Yeah, no stress.
No stress.
I like his mentality of the no stress.
Posibil, dar 10 jours teste. 10
Oui.
Après 40 mil.
Après, on y va in America?
Moi ici sunt pauză, dacă de acord. După pauză e petita aia. Après
Après, ciao de Côte
10 jours maxim.
6 jours? Encore 6 jours?
Nu, 10 jours
Oh,
maxim.
10 jours. So 10 more days and then Putet he goes On y va. Et où are you gonna go?
Yes, passport, visa,
Yeah?
ici in French. Trebuie contract.
Now you have a passport or no?
Yes, passport.
Ah, so he does have a passport, so he can travel.
Yes, papier, yes.
So if you go, let's say, in 10 jours, après on y va?
Nu, 10 jours après cum connaît de cuniva. Trebuie să vii bus special companie ici.
Ok.
Moi se connaît.
Okay.
Il est où travailler.
But you need the travail for the box.
Si. Si. Lambada americana.
On y va to America, do the box. Après, you do this as well. It's so good, you know. You can make money in America on the plage.
No, la America la plage no.
Well, see.
Tous les jours sport, like.
What? So he's basically saying like he can make a little bit of money doing this type of stuff out in America. But what he really wants to do is he wants to be a manager and box for either the UFC or Muay Thai,
MMA box. MMA box.
Yeah, all that type of stuff is really good, and he's really smart on how he does the training, the boxing. Tout, right?
Directement contract. Moi nu vreau training de box. Moi vreau directement contract cu l'argent.
Ah, so what he's saying is if he gets a contract, he will leave here directly, on y va to America, and do some boxing and training out there. C'est bon?
Si, moi indifférent.
Yeah. This one's nice. Combien de temps to sculpture?
Je sais pas, moi nu regardé corect.
Ah, yeah? So he didn't look at the time on how long it takes him. It's beautiful. I like this one. It's so pretty. Yeah, it's good, bro. It's so nice to be in the sunshine. Sit back, have a look at that view. I mean, you got the beach, you got everything right here, and his beautiful artwork. That's just amazing. The sculpture in the sand. Look at that, eh? Anyways, guys, I wanted to show you guys. I just wanted to say, hey, thanks for watching the video today. Totally random, but it's always good to have fun when you're out here on the Côte d'Azur. Say ciao, brother. Say ciao.
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 Hey guys, if you liked that video today, smash that subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, maybe leave a comment, maybe share it with a friend. It's always good when you can share with friends and everybody can get to see what it's like out here in the south of France. Thanks for watching, guys.